Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 104. We are on Unit 10, so you may go to Grammar Reference page 127 to refer the grammar details. So we are on Lesson 3 now, Grammar, Activity 1. Read and match the parts of the question text. So number 1, already given example. You know where the treasure is, don't you? So number 1 is C. So I just write the answer on the left of the number. So number 1 is C. And number 2, you can read a map. So number 2. So can't you? So remember the opposite of this, can. So can't you? So we copy this one again. So number 2 is E. Number 3, you can't row very fast. So the answer should be B. So can't, the opposite, can. And then we maintain this word here, you. So number 3 is B. Number 4, we are rich. So 4 should be F, aren't we? So we have this one, aren't we? So because this one apostrophe, A-R-E, so the opposite of R is aren't. So we have this one, V, we maintain. So number 4 is F. And number 5, the treasure is under this tree. So number 5 should be D, isn't it? So the treasure, it. So is. So the opposite of this one is not. So isn't. So number 5 is D. And number 6, the map shows where the treasure is. So we have this one, A, doesn't it? So doesn't it? So A. So next we go to Activity 2. Activity 2, complete the dialogue with the correct part of the question text. So Inspector Fox and Museum Guard. So you look after all the statues, don't you? Yes, I do. You stay in this room all the time, do you? So we have this one. You don't. So this one opposite. So D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't stay in this room all the time, do you? No, I don't. I walk around and check all the rooms. You see if anything is missing, can't you? So this one, can't opposite, we use can. Can't you? Yes, I can. The gold statue isn't here. It's usually next to this picture. So this one we have number 4. So this one is, isn't it? So we have this is. And then opposite is an apostrophe T. So we maintain this IT, it. Isn't it? Yes, it is. There's a photo of it in the guidebook. So we have this one, is, isn't. We maintain this one, there, isn't there? Yes, there is. Look, here it is. The statue is worth £500,000. So next we go to Activity 3. Write the questions with text to ask a friend. So play, stroke, football. You play football, don't you? Okay, number 2. Good at drawing. So you may write, you are good at drawing, aren't you? So next, number 3. You can sing well, comma, can't you? Number 4, you aren't or are not good at science, comma, are not, so we choose are you? Next, number 5, you can't speak Spanish, comma, can you? And then the final one, you don't or do not don't like classical music, comma, do you? So that's it for this page. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 104. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Dragon Robot for free.